Okay, welcome back. For tip number 2, a lot of people put in their responses of what exactly am I going to get with my wedding videos, or what is going to be the end product, and that's important. There are a lot of vendors out there that will put a price out on their website and be like, oh, that's a good price. That's really lower than what I expected. And then you call them up and start talking to them and they're like, yeah, that price includes a 2 to 3 minute social media teaser. And you're like, okay, well, I need a full ceremony. Oh, well, that's another $500. Well, I want a highlight film too. Oh, that's another $500. I need the speeches and dances. Okay, well, that's another $500 in place of those two, where they give you the low price to draw you in, and then they try to upsell you on everything else. I don't like that. I don't work that way. You're not going to get the bait and switch. You're not going to get this upsell from me. You're not going to get me trying to go, well, you know, if you sign up for this or you sign up for that, then it's going to be that much better, but it's going to cost you more, and try to keep pushing you until you're 2 or 3 times the amount you thought you were because of all these add-ons. That's not how I work. Just be wary of that and know up front what you're getting as far as the final deliverable, because that is important. And if they're going to just keep upselling you and trying to upcharge you for stuff, and now all of a sudden you're spending 2 and 3 times what you thought you were going to, that's no good. You guys have a budget and you need to stick to that budget, you know, for the most part. There might be places that you can expand that a little bit. And if you can, great. But don't feel like you're getting pigeonholed into something because this person is trying to get you to buy their best packages or buy all these add-ons that you may or may not need. Know what you need, know what you want, and if you got questions, like I said in the previous video, ask the questions. Ask exactly what am I getting with this? That's our job, is to be able to communicate to you, here's exactly what you're going to get for that price.